everyone! Today, I'm going to show you an amazing new update in Google NotebookLm. Now you can easily create whiteboard animations inside it. First, take a look at this short demo. See this whiteboard animation I just made in NotebookLm? Notice how clear the voice is.
Today, we're going to break down one of the most powerful forces in our world, the sun, and our quest to harness its absolutely incredible energy. And let's kick things off with a fact that might just change the way you look at the sky.
Get this. Every single hour, the sun beams down more energy on...
And how smooth the graphics look, all automatically generated using AI. So, how can you turn your own PDF or document into a beautiful whiteboard animation using NotebookLm? Let's get started. First, go to notebooklm.google.com, click on Create New, and then you'll see options to add your sources. You can upload a PDF file, or you can also add online sources by clicking the Discover Sources button. Here, I have a PDF file that I'll upload. Before uploading, let's take a quick look at it. This document is about solar energy, and it's almost 420 pages long. Reading the whole thing would take a lot of time, right? So instead, we'll let NotebookLm convert it into a whiteboard animation for us. Now, click on Upload Sources and select your file. You'll see it start uploading. Since it's a large file, it might take a little time. Once the upload is complete, NotebookLm automatically creates a summary of your document. You can also chat with it, ask for specific information, convert it to audio, or even view it in mind map format. But today, we're focusing only on the Video Overview feature. So, click on Video Overview. You'll notice the message Generating Video Overview, meaning NotebookLm is now turning your document into an AI-generated whiteboard video. Because our file is quite large, this process will take a few minutes. And here we go. The video has been generated. Now you can download it, rename it, or play it right here. Let's play it once.
What's the holdup? Well, to really get the answer, we have to first understand the problem that solar energy is trying to solve. And yeah, that problem is our planet's massive, and I mean massive, appetite for energy. Our whole modern world is built on it, from the phone in your pocket to the lights in this room. But where does all that energy actually come from? Okay, so take a look at this. What's wild here, even looking at data from back in 2008, is just how much one thing dominates.
See how beautiful the graphics look? However, you might notice one small limitation. Right now, specific words and their corresponding graphics aren't always perfectly synced. That's because this is still an early version of the feature, but over time, it will definitely get better. So, that was a quick tutorial on how to create stunning whiteboard animations directly inside Google NotebookLm using AI. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.